Lesson 26. Mimas, shimas. Check, take a look at. Use when checking something or examining a patient. Example, Sensei wa kanja o mimas. The doctor examines the patient. Sagashimas. Look for, search. The first kanji is often used for searching for something or someone, while the second is used for looking for something lost. Example, Kare wa kage o sagashite imasu. He is looking for his keys. Okorimasu. Jikan ni. Be late for an appointment, etc. Used to express being late for a specific event or time. Example, Kaige ni okorimashita. I was late for the meeting. Maniaimasu. Jikan ni. Be in time for an appointment, etc. Indicates arriving on time for something. Example, Basu ni maniaimashita. I made it in time for the bus. Yarimasu. Do. A general term for doing something. Example, Shukodai o yarimasu. I will do my homework. Hiroimasu. Pick up. Used for picking up something from the ground or floor. Example, Ochite ero gomi o hiroimasu. I will pick up the trash that has fallen. Renraku shimasu. Contact, get in touch with. Refers to communicating with someone via phone, email, etc. Example, Ato de renraku shimasu. I will contact you later. Kibunga I. Feel well. Used to express feeling good or in good health. Example, Kibunga I desu. I feel good today. Ondukai. Athletic meeting. Sports day. A sports event often held at schools. Example, Raishu undukai ga arimasu. There will be a sports day next week. Bon Odori. Bon Festival dance. A traditional dance performed during the Bon Festival in Japan. Example, Machi de Bon Odori ga okonawarimasu. The Bon dance will be held in the town. Furi Maketo. Flea market. A market where second-hand goods are sold. Example, Furi Maketo de Hono kaimashita. I bought a book at a flea market. Bashu. Place. Refers to a location or site. Example, Atsumaru basho kimimashou. Let's decide on a meeting place. Borantia. Volunteer. A person who offers services willingly without pay. Example, Borantia katsudo ne sanka shimashita. I participated in volunteer activities. Saifu. Wallet. Purse. A small portable case for holding money and other personal items. Example, Saifu wo wasarimashita. I forgot my wallet. Gomi. Garbage, rubbish, dust. Refers to trash or waste materials. Example, Gomi o sutete kudasai. Please throw away the garbage. Kokkai Gijidu, the Diet Building. The building where Japan's national legislature meets. Example, Kokkai Gijido o Kingaku shimashita. I toured the Diet Building. Heijatsu, weekday. Refers to the days of the week excluding weekends. Example, Heijatsu wa shigoto ga arimasu. I have work on weekdays. Ben, dialect. Refers to regional dialects in Japan, such as Kansai Ben. Example, Kare wa Osaka Ben o hanashimashou. Hanashimasu. He speaks in the Osaka dialect. Kondo, next time, another time. Used to refer to a future occasion or the next opportunity. Example, Kondo issu ni ikimashou. Let's go together next time. Zuibun, very pretty. Indicates a higher degree of something than expected. Example, Zuibun tuoi desu ne. It's very far, isn't it? Chukosetsu, directly, refers to doing something in person or without intermediaries. Example, Chukosetsu hanashimashou. Let's talk directly. It's a demo, anytime. Refers to an unspecified time that can be at any moment. Example, it's a demo renraku shite kudasai. Please contact me anytime. Dokodemo, anywhere. Refers to any place without specific restrictions. Example, Kono paso de dokodemo ikimasu. You can go anywhere with this pass. Daredemo, anybody. Refers to any person regardless of who they are. Example, Kono pati ni wa daredemo sanka dekimasu. Anybody can join this party. Nandemo, anything. Refers to any object or matter without specifying. Example, Nandemo shitsumon shite kudasai. Please ask anything. Konna, like this. Used when referring to something similar to what is near the speaker. Example, Konna fuku ga hoshii desu. I want clothes like this. Sonna, like that, near the listener. Used when referring to something close to the listener. Example, Sonna koto wa dekimasen. I can't do something like that. Anna, like that, far from both the speaker and the listener. Used when referring to something distant from both speaker and listener. Example, Anna ii ne sumitai desu. I want to live in a house like that. Idoya Sutowa, fictitious store, a made-up store name often used in teaching materials. Example, Idoya Sutowa de kaimono o shimashita. I did some shopping at the Idoya store. Katazukimasu, nimotsu ga, boxes, be put in order, tidy up. Refers to getting things organized or cleaned up, especially after an event. Example, Nimotsu ga katazukimashita. The boxes have been put in order. Dashimasu, gomi o, put out, the rubbish. Used for taking out the trash. Example, Ashita wa gomi o dashimasu. I will put out the trash tomorrow. Moiro gomi, burnable rubbish. Refers to trash that can be incinerated. Example, Moiro gomi wa getsuyobi ni dashimasu. Burnable rubbish is put out on Mondays. Okiba, place where something is put. A place where items are stored or placed temporarily. Example, Jitensha okiba wa doko desu ka? Where is the bicycle parking area? Yoko, side, refers to the side of something often used for positioning. Example, Kuruma no yoko ni taiteimasu. I am standing beside a car. Bin, bottle, a container, typically made of glass, used for holding liquids. Example, wine no bin o kaimashita. I bought a bottle of wine. Can, can, A metal container for food or drink. Example, canned juice o nomimashita. I drank a canned juice. Gasu, gas, refers to natural gas used for heating, cooking, etc. Example, gasu ga moriteiro kamoshiremasen. There might be a gas leak. Gaisha, company. A suffix used to refer to a company often combined with a company's name. Example, Toyota Gaisha de Hataraite imasu. I work at Toyota Company. Uchu, space, universe, refers to outer space or the universe beyond Earth. Example, Uchu wa totemo hiroi desu. The universe is very vast. Sama, Mr. or Miss, respectful equivalent of san. A highly respectful honorific used for addressing someone with higher status. Example, Yamada-sama omatase shimashita. Mr. Yamada, sorry to keep you waiting. Ochosen, spaceship, a vehicle designed for travel in outer space. Example, Ochosen ga Chikyu ni modorimashita. The spaceship returned to Earth. Kuwai, be afraid of. Used to describe feeling fear or being scared of something. Example, Takai tokoro ga kawaii desu. I am afraid of heights. Ocho Station, space station, a large structure in space where astronauts can live and work. Example, Ocho Station ni ikitai desu. Want to go to the space station. Chigaimasu, be different, indicates something is different or incorrect. Example, Sorry wa chigaimasu. That's incorrect or different. Uchu Hikoshi, astronaut, a person trained to travel and work in space. Example, 彼は有名な宇宙飛行士です. He is a famous astronaut. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to Japanese Learning Hub for more tips and lessons. Mata ne!